Hi, today's quick tip. I'm going to my accountant and I fold my Brompton very small, like this. And the easy way is to put a Velcro, right? But the tip is to maneuver easily, grab by the saddle and pull it up just a little bit. So this way you can go around. Just use the two front wheels, see, and easy to go on. This way is so easy to maneuver. You can go this way, you can go this way, this way. I know it's a quick tip, but quick tips are like this, just little things that I remember. It happens, things that happens, and then I say, oh, let me share with you, might like it. So if you did like it, thumbs up and subscribe, please. So remember, use the Velcro to close the wheel, put your saddle up, and use the back of the saddle to maneuver. Okay, let's do the IRS. Bye-bye.